んにちは皆さん Ms.P です。 Hello everyone, I'm Ms.P. Today I'm gonna show you how to change a color scheme by changing the color of drapes and pillows in the living room. And one of my color schemes, black, white, and red, became top 3 on HGTV decoration ranking about 7 years ago. So let's get started! This is my spring living room. And I use gray drapes. The color scheme is gray, black, and yellow. I use yellow color as an accent color. This base is originally blue color, but I painted yellow and I painted my accent wall gray and white stripes. This is my favorite picture, and I added red color, a little bit red color with this. And this is my favorite Thomas Kincaid picture. I bought this long time ago. If I change the color of drapes and pillows, I can change the color scheme of my living room. So let's see next. This is my summer living room, which I changed the drapes and pillows. And the color scheme is blue and white. Let's see it. And I change all 4 drapes from gray to navy blue. You see the navy blue here? This is navy blue. And now I change pillows like this. I change pillows like this. Blue and white. And also I change picture blue and white. I decorated my accent wall with all kinds of summer stuff, and I love it. Because this drape gets shorter, that's why I added chevron fabric on the bottom. The point is that my walls are all white, and I can change my color scheme by changing drapes and pillows like this. So that's the point. And then long time ago, when I posted my room pictures on the HGTV website, and I got a bunch of designers' advice, and they told me to paint the white wall, my white wall, but I didn't want to do because I don't like to paint again when I get tired of the color. So that's why I figure out my technique like this. Just have white walls like this and change drapes and pillows colors like this. That's my technique. Now, this is my fall and winter living room, and I change all 4 drapes from navy blue to red. It's kind of including orange color, and that is why it looks more likely modern looking. And then I also change all pillows like this, and this is my original pillow, which I made with the IKEA's fabric. Maybe some people saw this fabric on my previous video about coffee station. Also, I bring this back to the wall. Red color jacket girl's picture. My accent wall is like this. I bring the Thomas Kincaid picture, painting back here. Also, I decorated a little bit Christmas stuff. That I'm gonna have the white walls except for accent wall. Once I get tired of my color scheme of my living room, I'm gonna change drapes and pillows, and then all colors gonna be totally different. Hello everyone, what did you think about my technique? If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.